Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for you guys today, we are going to be doing a tutorial with the Aina palette by ABH. Mine is actually starting to look a little bit worn out. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but like this bigwig shade, I use it quite a bit. And this Shookington shade, I don't know. I feel like this is a good palette to do like one color in the crease and then a shade on the lid. Just because this formula is a lot, side note, this formula is a lot drier and less blendable than the normal ABH formula, in my opinion. It's a good palette though. It's just not the usual formula. But yeah, anyway, today we're playing with this palette. If you guys want to see how we got this look, please do not forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and just keep on watching. Okay, so we are probably very washed out, but this is like the look, at least like the upper half of the look that we're shooting for. So first thing I'm gonna do is use some Alter Ego eye primer. And I'm sorry, my mirror is right here. Well, actually, maybe we'll manage this feet today. Kind of tap that out. And just kind of, I'm gonna give that just a second to dry down a little bit. Just because this primer is so slippy. I think these shadows would definitely perform better over a drier eye base, but good enough. So the first brush I'm going to use is one, it was clean when I started, but it's an Makeup of the Day Miss Shady Lady brush, but basically it's like this shape. It's kind of like a flatter, fluffy brush. If you hear children and doors slamming and everything, my brother and sister are here with me today. So I'm gonna go into the shade Supreme, which is the second shade on the top row. And I'm kind of gonna like put that in my crease area, or where I want my crease to be, because I do have to fake my crease a little bit.
Hi, Roxanne. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh. Oh my god, you're doing a video?
Yeah.
My bad.
You're fine.
Oh, you can't see me. Oh, nice. It's okay.
And you do want this to be kind of harsh, I would guess, I would say, just because like we are going to blend other shadows on top of it, and so like that harsh edge will be blended out by the time we're done. But that's like the overall shape that we're going for, is like a winged out type look. Now taking that same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Primer, which is right next to Supreme, right here. And basically, we're gonna start right next to where Supreme was. Yeah. And just kind of wing it out like that, and then bring it back. So you're gonna wanna blend or put pinker right on top of Supreme. Like that. And do you see how it's kind of like blended out somewhat? That's good. That's what you want. Then for what I'm gonna do next, because I did put this shimmer shade down first, I am going to take this this Alter Ego number 8 brush. It's just like a very tiny shader brush, and some concealer is LA Girl Pro, and I'm gonna cut my crease. You're being very noisy, Nathaniel. But do you see where like that is? That's where I want, well, oopsies. But that's like the overall shape that we're going for, and now it's just a matter of filling in that space. Don't worry about the outer corner right now. We will get to that in a little bit. Like that. And then I'm gonna take this is a ColourPop E4 brush. It's like a bigger, flatter shader brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Shookington. And just, actually, I think I need to spray this down. So I'm gonna use the Smashbox primer water and spray it down a little bit, like so. And no, I'm gonna take like, the reason I picked this brush is because it has like a pretty straight edge. With that edge, I am going to kind of trace where I have the concealer. Like that. Just so like I'm not going above where I want to go. And then I'm gonna go in again, make sure I've got some pigment on that brush, and begin like smooshing it on there. Kind of like that. This is actually a bit more bold than what I wanted, but it'll work. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this smaller blending brush. I got it off of Amazon. And I'm gonna go into the shade Big Wig right here on this brush. and kind of like pack that color on the outer corner, kind of like blend it back and forth over the edge of the shimmer, and then kind of blend it right over the wing that we've made, like that. Okay, and then all I'm gonna do next is just take, this was a clean makeup brush when I started it, but it's the Tapered Contour Crease from Makeup of the Day, and I'm just gonna take that and just blend over the whole look. Like that. And that is basically like the eye look all done. I am going to do my makeup on camera with you guys if you want to do it with me. I'm just going to do it a little bit sped up. So, yeah. Clean up all out. But yeah, so there's that. Okay, so I will speed it up after this. I just realized that I wasn't recording when I was putting on my foundation, so my foundation is on. But okay, there's that. Now we're gonna speed it up. so that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would very much greatly appreciate it. If anybody's wondering like what lip combo I'm wearing, it's the KKW Beauty Honey 2 lip liner and lipstick. I didn't put on a gloss today. Like, it's after 8 o'clock at night where I'm at, so I'm gonna wash this off in a few hours anyway. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. Also, Teresa, excuse my belch. Teresa, if you have made it this far through the video, thank you so much, because you are actually, like, that interview I did with you, it's gotten me like more inspired now. Like, maybe just to do like the same thing I always do, but like it's just gotten me more into playing with makeup again, because I was kind of, you guys know if you watched my last Get Ready With Me video, I've kind of been struggling a little bit with just my feelings and everything, and it's just, I've been feeling so down in the dumps lately. I just haven't wanted to play with makeup, but Teresa and you guys maybe want to play with makeup all over again. So anyway, like I said, subscribe, thumbs up. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.